I'm excited to talk to you today about the largest battery we've built. 5,000 amp hour, 52 volt lithium iron phosphate battery that provides 260 kilowatt hours of total capacity. This battery is powering Western Canada's largest off-grid solar installation. It's a telecommunications site operated by the utility company ATCO Electric. It's mission critical and needs a continuous, uninterruptible power supply to support a vital communication network. By implementing our lithium iron battery with the solar array and replacing fossil fuel burning generators, we're able to save thousands in maintenance costs. Our lithium battery can be monitored online in real time. It doesn't require costly on-site testing like lead acid batteries because all of the battery data can be seen online. It also is going to last 3 times longer than lead acid, has higher efficiency, takes up less space, and is completely maintenance-free. These all add up to a much lower total cost of ownership compared to lead acid. We have a case study online that explains this in further detail.